There comes a time in life when pain becomes more than just an emotion. It becomes a message that whispers, "You've been through too much to stay silent." You see, pain is not always here to destroy you. Sometimes it's here to awaken you. I've learned that pain can be a teacher if we let it. It's the silent sculptor that shapes who we become, but too often we run from it, hide from it, bury it deep beneath fake smiles and quiet tears. Yet when we sit with our pain, when we face it, it begins to reveal something powerful: purpose. Because purpose is often born in the darkest moments of our lives. That heartbreak, that betrayal, that season when you felt unseen. It wasn't the end of your story. It was the awakening of your next chapter. There's beauty in silence too. Sometimes your silence isn't weakness, it's strength. It's choosing peace over reaction. It's learning that not everything deserves your energy, and not everyone deserves an explanation. Your silence doesn't mean you have nothing to say. It means you're saving your words for when they matter most. Maybe today you're walking through something heavy. Maybe you've been hurt, misunderstood, or forgotten. But let me remind you, your story isn't over. Your pain will not be wasted. Use it. Let it fuel your purpose. Turn your silence into strength, because sometimes the quietest person in the room carries the loudest testimony. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are not defeated. You are transforming. And one day, you'll look back and realize the pain you thought would destroy you was the very thing that built you. So breathe, rise, and step into your purpose, because this, right here, is the season you reclaim your power. Thank you for tuning in to Lauren's Inspirational Corner. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who needs light today. And remember, your pain is not your ending, it's your beginning.